Hi, I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator at RX Catering in the DC metro area. You all asked, solicited, inquired about individual meal prep. Well, you know we have it. So what I need you to do, and this is just a friendly reminder, is to go online and place that order. rxcatering-dc.com. We've made it so easy for you. Every week on Thursday, a new menu will come out for the following week. So you need to place your order by Thursday if you want to be able to pick up on Monday. So we have 5 meals that are going to be ready for you in the following categories. You have vegan option, you have a low and no carb option, and then you also just have our standard option. Right here I'm showing you this week's menu. That's the standard option. One of the items on the menu this week is our Tuscan chicken. So our Tuscan chicken will be prepared and individualized and ready for you to grab, heat, and eat. It's that simple. And then we have the other 4 options that are going to be available for you. Oh, I love this week's standard menu item. One of them in particular is the lobster mac and cheese. So you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and just go online, rxcatering-dc.com, and place your order for the meal prep for the week. It's going to make your life so much easy, and it's going to be less stress.